Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Keller Williams for team-based deal sourcing, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Keller Williams official website. Locate the Join Us section in the navigation menu. Click on Join a Team to explore team-based opportunities. Research the local Keller Williams Market Center in your area. Reach out to the Market Center for information on available teams. Schedule an introductory meeting with a team leader. Prepare questions about team culture, goals, and deal sourcing methods. Discuss your experience and how it aligns with the team's offerings. Inquire about training and support available for new team members. Express your interest in collaboration on deal sourcing activities. Get familiar with Keller Williams technology platforms, like Command. Download the Keller Williams app to access essential tools. Join online groups or forums focused on Keller Williams agents. Participate in local networking events sponsored by Keller Williams. Follow Keller Williams social media accounts for updates and opportunities. Attend any available workshops or seminars hosted by Keller Williams. Build relationships with other agents to expand your network. Ask for referrals from agents within Keller Williams. Utilize coaching sessions to enhance your knowledge of deal sourcing. Collaborate on projects or initiatives with other team members. Stay engaged and actively participate in team meetings. Review team goals regularly to ensure alignment with your objectives. Keep an eye out for open houses or networking events. Follow up frequently to maintain communication with team leaders. Be proactive in seeking out educational resources offered by Keller Williams. Continuously develop your skills to maximize your impact on the team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.